Hello everyone, my name is Alok. I'm father of two boys, 9 trees, with me to one of the most beautiful princes of the world. I'm an engineer, an MBA, an entrepreneur, traveler, author, blogger, podcaster, a parenting expert, and a business enthusiast for the last 20 years. Now I'm helping three kinds of people. Number one, people who do have an expertise, want to create a business out of that. Number two, people who are doing an offline business, want to shift it to an online platform. Number three, people who are doing pretty well either in offline and online mode, but they are not able to upskill and grow, they're stuck somewhere. So I, Alok, as a business coach, is going to give you a specific business strategy for your business so that you increase your business multi-folds and you increase your revenue in multiple times. So business owners and entrepreneurs, I do keep talking about businesses and different aspects of business. Today I'm going to talk about a business plan. Why a business plan is important and required and should be as a must for you to do a business. So let's start with what is a plan. A plan is a set of activities, or you can say that a plan is a combination of smaller goals which lead to your ultimate goals, right? So you must have heard about multinational companies and big corporates. They have their monthly targets, quarterly targets, half-yearly targets, annual targets, as well as they have a 3-year horizon target and a 5-year horizon target. Why they are doing it? They are doing it, reason being, unless and until we know where do we want to reach, how are we going to decide the way? The ways, the path are only decided based on the destination. So the destination is your ultimate goal, and the planning, the smaller goals are the subsets of your main goal, wherein you are going to achieve the smaller milestones so that every milestone is leading towards the main ultimate goal, right? So a business plan is very much required to understand what is going to be the next goal, right? And based on that we keep on doing. And when we sit and plan, what happens? When you sit with your team and plan something, you come out with several ideas, suggestions, and if you minute all these points, you will be able to gather what to be done and what to be avoided as well. You get to know all these two things, which is very important, right? So when a set of brains are working together, your colleagues, your employees, whoever it is, your partners, when you are brainstorming, you are not only working about what to do, you are also working simultaneously on what not to do. That is also critical, because if you keep on wasting your energy which is not leading to somewhere, that means you are depriving yourself from reaching your goals in the right time, right? Because goals are subject to timelines as well. You cannot just keep on experimenting all the time without any time frame, right? So smaller goals give you motivation, because we have decided to go from A to Z, right? Now when we reach B, it gives us motivation that we have achieved something. You move from B to C, C to D, and so on. So when you do that as a team, the motivation, the energy level, everybody is charged up. And that is why these business goals are very much required to be, distributed in smaller and smaller parts, which is leading towards the ultimate goal, right? So business owners, a goal is not just a goal, it is a set of activities which we need to do every day. And every day there has to be a goal, a smaller goal, which is leading towards the next day achievement, right? So that is all in today's video. I look forward to talk to you in another similar topic about business, because business is something which is, if it comes from the heart, it will be executed based on your efforts. And you know what, when a team is working on a particular mission, a team is always a winner, a team always wins. Thank you so much.